I want to keep going. I want to remain consistent, so got to do some maintenance.
Hi mga Zoo! Good morning! So pasensya na kayo sa itsura ko. Kakagising ko lang. And ngayon, imimit namin yung mommy ni Andy for breakfast. Kita kami dito sa Marion Mall. Kaya naman, samahan nyo kami sa isang buong araw na naman natin pagsasama. And then, meron kaming gym in the afternoon session na din. Kasi si Jaja kailangan 5 to 9. So, before 5, mag-gym na kami. So, it's a great day, guys. Yay! Halika na, samahan nyo na kami. Ayan, guys. Tapos na kami mag-breakfast. Tapos yun na si King. Nakuha na din niya yung salamin niya. Kasi dito, ang ganda dito dahil nung nasira yung salamin niya, pwedeng palitan. So, wala nang bayad yun, guys. King, halika na! Nagpasundo na ako kay Andy. And we're here! Yay! Nahatid na namin yung mga bata kay Jaja. Nandito na kami ngayon sa gym, guys. Explain ko lang yung mga nangyari today. Maaga kami gumising. Maaga na yun para sa amin. Dahil late kami natutulog, guys. Late ang aming trabaho at late din matulog ang aming anak. So, nag-breakfast kami sa Marion Mall kasama ang mommy ni Andy. We did the errands a little bit. Tapos si King, kinuha niya yung glasses niya, yung eyeglass. Kasi nasira yun, guys, dati. Mga 1 week siyang nag-antay. Almost 2 weeks. Kaya naka-contact lens siya madalas. So, finally, nakuha niya na dahil ilang araw niya na kaming kinukulit dun sa salamin niya. Eh, wala naman kaming control dun dahil syempre, hahantayin talaga natin na magawa nila yon. So, binigyan siya ng brand new frame pero yung grade ng mata niya, same lenses pa din. Tapos, hinatid namin yung mga bata kay Jaja dahil may work siya. So, alagaan niya muna before siya mag-work. So, this is the opposite naman than usual na ginagawa namin. Mas maaga kami makakapag-workout ngayon. Mas marami kaming matatapos. So, after this, we'll pick them up again and we'll do some chores kasi hindi kami nakapaglinis dahil nagmamadali na kaming umalis ng bahay. But anyway, guys, malinis naman yung bahay kasi naglinis kami dun. Tatanggalin lang yung mga sinampay dahil naglaba kami kahapon. Kung maaraw ba? Kung aaraw pa hanggang mamaya, baka pwede pang maglaba. Pero konti na lang naman yung labahin natin, Daddy. So, dadaling ko yung jacket ko. Teka lang. Dadaling ko pala yung jacket ko, guys. Kasi magka-cardio ako ng matagal para maganda yung pawis natin. I think your mom will cook salad again later. Not cook, make.
Hey, I got the towels. Our beach towels.
So, ang laki naman ito, Daddy. Binili namin to kahapon, guys, sa Kmart to. Gym towel. Small one lang.
Ay, wala yung small.
Ano ba ako ngayon? Shucks, legs pala ako ngayon. Wala yung small?
Wala.
Sige, okay na to. Water ko. Okay na. Water, keys. And aray ko. Na-close the door. I'm gonna cardio for 1 hour. And then
my shoulders up properly, they're sore today. I think I slept wrong. Like our beach towel.
Isa kami sa workout. Sunduin na namin yung mga bata. Nasa playhouse daw kasi sila. It's 1 hour. So parang We need to finish that.
Hey, that's you.
Saan ka punta ba? This is me. This is me. Let's go. Oh, ang init. Love it. Miss the heat, guys. Grabe. Aha!
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy?
I go park and pool.
Oh, wow!
Daddy.
You went there inside the playhouse? Yeah?
Mary, oh, good evening, guys. I'm just heading off to a massage. I have a scheduled appointment for 6:45. We finished gym earlier, then we had some lunch, and we just spent some time with the kids. But my shoulder was starting to hurt during my workout. Oh, that's new. That wasn't there before. Sorry, I was distracted by some new construction all ongoing over here. But yeah, my shoulder was hurting a little bit, and I thought it's probably best I get a little bit of maintenance done on it. It wasn't enough to stop the workout, but yeah, I want to keep going. I want to remain consistent, so got to do some maintenance. So I've got an hour massage booked, and we'll see how we go. Let's go. Whose is that?
Mine.
That's Lela's outfit from Melbourne.
No.
It's yours now.
Yeah, because you are Mira.
These two have been playing dress up for the last 30 minutes.
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Yeah,
30 minutes now.
Circus. We just did circus. Same. Toes.
Whose jacket is that?
It's mine.
Zara? It's from Zara. Yes, it's from Zara.
Mimi thought this was gummies, but it's mine. Lolly gummies. Look. Actually, look at me. Yeah.
It's to a hyper. And what time is it, Beam?
Actually, look at me.
Oi, 1 a.m. now.
No.
Goodbye.
We're here.
Hi. Ano yung buko? No? Kakaligo ko lang, guys. Napaka-chill lang ng araw namin, no? Isipin mo, hindi naman slow. Kumbaga parang nai-enjoy ko yung hindi masyadong pressure yung pagising mo, hindi ka agad mag-work. Alam mo yun, yung parang hawak mo yung oras mo. Parang, syempre sa Pilipinas, hindi ganun. Dito, habang tumatagal, parang na-appreciate mo yung time. So, happy ako today kasi yun nga, yung oras namin, nahahati na namin sa pag-workout. As in, talagang hina-highlight ko sa inyo yung working out kasi guys, sobrang proud na proud kami ni Andy dahil hindi namin akalain na magiging everyday kami makakapag-gym ulit. Bumabalik kami dun sa dati naming routine, tapos bumabalik na rin yung dati naming katawan at the same time. So yun, chill day. Tapos yung mga bata, at least kahit papaano, nakapunta dun sa beach house. Yung beach house, guys, yun yung arcade nila dito na maliit. Tapos may konting mga games. Tapos on the side, kaya sa beach house, parang meron silang, sa tapat kasi ito ng beach, tapos meron silang mga water parks, ganyan. Hindi lang bukas yung water park kasi medyo malamig pa nga. Tapos, ano pa bang ginawa namin today? Si Andy, nagkaroon din ng chance magpamasahe kanina. Tapos yun, si Mimi tulog habang habang nagpapamasahe siya. So, naka-relax ako ng konti. Nakapag-live pa ako. Dami ko ring nagawa. Kaya, maraming salamat sa time. Importante talaga yung time. Kaya ayan mga subs, ako'y matutulog na. Pasensya na sa itsura ko. Naglagay na kasi ako ng oil. Tapos, kaya siya mukhang oily. Naglagay na ako ng oil. Tapos naglagay na ako ng cream. So ayan, tatapusin ko na po ang vlog for today. Maraming salamat. Good night na mga subs.